working. Outre, what is this? It's giving Ronald McDonald. It's giving Chucky. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel Shakita, and today I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Outre. It's a 360 frontal lace wig, 13x4 hand-tied lace frontal. It's pre-plucked, and it's also made with premium human hair, a premium human hair blend. So let's get started. The name is Norvina, and I got it in the color Cinnamon Wine. This is what the wig looks like out the packaging. Gonna take off the fishnet stocking. And this color is Cinnamon Wine. I'm nervous about this color because my hair is jet black and I always stick with black. So whenever I do try a color, it never looks right. So hopefully we will see. And this is like a bob style wig. It's the lace all around, lace on the front. And the lace in the back is stretchy. And it's baby hairs in the back. You have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps right here. Has an adjustable band and 2 combs in the front. So I'm gonna start by cutting the lace, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I cut the lace. Now I'm going to use some concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toast. And this lace is light, so I'm going to use this concealer to match my skin tone. So you can see what I'm doing. Alright, now that the concealer is on, I'm just gonna gel my hair back with some Got To Be gel. All day long, turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else, you're all I need. And it's just in twists. Time for the real test. Let's get ready to try this wig on. I'm nervous about the color. Here we go. I have a mirror right here, that's why I'm looking down. Tuck my twist in. Okay, so I got the wig on. This is as flat as I can get it to lay. I think I cut too much lace off because you can see my hair peeking through. I don't know about this color. I'm gonna part it down the middle. I don't know about this color. A parting space is good. Get a lot of parting space. And a few tangles as I'm combing it out. Use a brush. And it's shedding because I cut close to the lace, so I cut some of the hairs when I was cutting the lace. Personalities, everything you do makes me love everything about you. So now what I'm going to do is take my edge wax and the flat iron and try to lay it as flat as possible. And I'm using the Outre Hair Styling Wax Stick. And now that I'm looking at the color, it doesn't look that bad. You still can see that lace, so I'm going to take some foundation powder and blend that in. And I'm using Super Stay for coverage. This is in the color Java. Okay, so this is the final look of the wig, and I am not feeling this wig at all. It's not even the color, it's more so the style, because the back was long and the front was shorter. So I tried to cut it to make it even, and it's just not working. This is a hot mess. And also the hair, since I cut it, I cut some of the hair when I cut the lace, so the hair is shedding and it's tangling this wig. I give it a 5 out of 10. So the pros, I will say, is big head friendly. You get a lot of parting space and you don't have to pluck the hairline. But if you have a lower hairline, like your hair will show. Like it didn't cover from ear to ear. But it's still big head friendly because I have a lot of room in the back. But yeah, this just looks wiggy and stringy to me. I tried to style this 3 different ways and it just wasn't working. So I would not recommend this wig. The color is not as bad as I thought, but the style is a no for me. I'm upset because I really wanted this to work. Let me show you the back. I was trying to make it into a blunt cut, but it's not working. Outre, what is this? It's giving Ronald McDonald. It's giving Chucky. Yeah, I'm done with this. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.